Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are ever wonder how to turn your ideas into passive income, this video is for you. Today I am going to give you a step-by-step blueprint to help you create and sell digital products so you can make money online while you sleep. So grab a notepad, hit the like button and let's jump into it. So actually here you can see there is a big market we have about the digital products. So here you can see Etsy. Let's go to the Etsy, and here if you search here and search any digital product for here, you will find out so much file in this place. Like let's search for template, and let's search it here, and here actually you can see. So why we just need to be sell digital product? Unlike physical product, there is no inventory, no shipping and no limits. You create it once and sell it over and over again automatically. Ebook templates, online courses, printable stock photos, the possibilities are endless. It is one of the smartest way to build passive income with low upfront cost. So you just need to be pick your product or niche. Like think about what you are good at. Like I am a content creator, so I can make content. So what I can do related to content creation, I just need to be think this way. So you just need to be think that way, which niche is really fit for you. Like think about what you are good at. You can design planners, make social media templates, write a helpful guide. Make sure there's a demand. Search on Etsy, or you can search on Gumroad or Amazon to see if people are buying products like yours. Like let's assume that I'm a graphic designer and I know Canva editing perfectly. So I just want to sell the template. Here you can see here we have plus thousand of editable Canva templates. So you can create such this kind of a thing also. So that for reason what you need, like you just need to be a Canva account, and the main thing is always keep it simple at first. One high quality product is better than the 10 average ones. Once you know what you are making, it is time to bring it to life. Now you just need to create your product. So let's go to our Canva account. Let's search for the Canva. Here the Canva we need, it is the mandatory to create a digital product for us. So here you use tools like Canva for templates and printables, Google Docs for ebooks, and Loom to record video courses. Make it easy to use. So here you can search for template and then search it here, and you can use any of them. And when you will work with it, like assume that this one is your template and now you want to sell it, how you can do it? You just need to make it as it, so people can come and they can edit on it. So there is a couple of options we have, as you can see, that one is public view link, template link. So you just need to create the template link, then you just need to be add branding. Your logo, colors and styles should be consistent. Once you are done, save your product in the right format. It could be a zip, it could be a PDF or video file depending on what you are selling. Then you just need to choose where you want to sell. So you can sell on Shopify, you could sell on any platform like Etsy, Gumroad, your own website. So directly with plugin like WooCommerce and Sundol. You just need to set up your product listing, upload your files, write clear description and set your price. Let's say we are going to sell our product on Shopify by using Shopify. So here I will click to the add apps, and then I'll go to the Shopify ad store. It is the app store where I will find out a plugin called digital downloads. So here I will search for digital downloads, and here I will click this one, and then I will download the plugin. This one is the download plugin. So I just need to install it in our website. It will take a couple of minutes to install it, so we just need to keep patience here. Once it download, I will install it, and then I just need to add a product here around my digital product. It could be a Canva template. Just click over here, add product, and add Canva template. And here you just need to add emails also. Just go over here and let's see this one, and just click to the done. So now you just need to launch and automate. Finally, set up your launch and automate. Create a simple sales page or store test your checkout and launches. Then you can use email list, offer variable list. Just click to the save and it already been saved, and your plugin also added here. So you just need to add your digital files here, and this is the complete done. Now it's okay, you can sell your digital product each time whenever someone finds you. So that's it for today. I hope you understand how you can sell digital products and build real passive income step by step.